Hi, today let's make tasty temple style rasam recipe. Now this is the same recipe which you have in South Indian temple during the Anna Prasada. This is the same recipe. Now I've heated oil in a pan. Now I've added in methi seeds. I've added in methi seeds first because methi seeds takes long time to roast. So add in methi seeds first. Roast it really very well. Please note it needs to be on a very low flame. Now I'm adding in some coriander seeds and then roast it really very well till it's aromatic. Now I'm adding in some dry red chilies. Again, keep on roasting till the color, all the masalas are beautifully roasted. Please don't keep it on high flame. Next I'm adding in some cumin seeds and again roast it. Some people add more cumin seeds, less coriander seeds, the other way around. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Now I'm adding in some curry leaves and again roast it. Once you feel all of this masala is roasted, at this point of time what you need to do is switch off the gas, and next what I'm doing is adding the mustard seeds. Switch off the gas and then add in mustard seeds. With the heating of the pan itself, the mustard seeds will get roasted, and once all these masalas are roasted, switch off the gas, let it cool down, and then make your rasam powder. You can make this and keep it at least for a month. Whenever you make rasam, I would recommend you to make fresh rasam powder like this and then make it. Now in a pot I've added in cooked tur dal. Now I'm adding in some turmeric powder along with some slit green chilies and chopped tomatoes, and just give it a good mix. Just combine it so that all of them are beautifully combined. Next I'm adding in some curry leaves. Again, give it a good mix. Next I'll be adding in some hing, and then what I'll be doing is just again giving it a good stir. Now I'll be adding in some jaggery to balance the taste along with some tamarind water, and again give it a good mix. Please note, whenever you're adding water to rasam, add hot water, not cold water. Now I've added in salt as well, and then this is the secret ingredient, which is our coconut milk. Don't add more, just 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. This takes the rasam to another level. Now I'm adding our rasam powder, which is coarsely blended, and then let the rasam boil. While the rasam is boiling, let's make a tasty tadka of adding ghee, mustard seeds, cumin seeds along with curry leaves. Once it splutters, add it to the rasam. If you want, you can even add coconut oil, because we in South India use lot of coconut oil. Add it and serve it hot with your rice, and your super tasty temple style rasam recipe is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.